Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday. Yeah, I'm out here. Just got done doing this job. I'm doing a brief video, okay, about power washing. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around. The thing I want to share with you guys, I just got done doing the whole house. A lot of people like to do power washing on their home. And, I'm not trying to say, people are cheap or they rather do it themselves and save money. But when you think about it, in the long run, you're not really saving money. And I'm going to tell you a couple reasons why you're not going to really save money. Okay, not trying to put Home Depot, Lowe's out of business. They'll never be out of business. But what I'm trying to say is, that's where everybody buy their power wash machine there. So what I'm trying to say is, by hiring somebody, a lot of people benefit by it. Okay, and I'll tell you why. Because you got professional equipment, the right solution with the chemical for the house. It usually lasts about 2 years. It all depends. I'm going to turn this, if you got trees or not, like this house right here, okay, does not have any trees around the yard. Okay, so the house is going to stay clean at least 2 years. Okay, unless you have trees. And, but all this house right here, all this was all black. It was nasty. And same thing the side of the house. And the gutters came out nice and white. But what I'm trying to say is, by purchasing your own power wash from Home Depot or Lowe's, sometimes you're going to have to do it again next year because you don't have the right chemical for your house. And, you spend, I don't know how much the power wash, $200 to $500. In the long run, depend upon on your house, the size and the price. In the long run, you'll be saving, hire a professional because they got the right equipment. This house is pretty easy. It's a ranch. But what if you live 2 or 3 stories high? How are you going to get up there? Are you going to go up there with a ladder? That's dangerous. So we do everything right from the ground. So you're going to be saving money. And I noticed a lot of people that do it themselves, they have to do it again next year because they don't have the right solution, chemical on their house. So now they're costing them more money because they already purchased the machine and now they're going to hire someone else to do their work that they couldn't do. You follow what I'm saying? So, you could do whatever you want, but, my solution is you're better off hire somebody that know what they're doing. You could save money and time. And like this house right here, the little ranch, be time I prep everything. By time I tape up all the doors because I had to paint I had to cover the door because it got paint on it. So I don't want any problem with that door. So, same with the outlets, you got to do a lot of prep work to use the right stuff. And this house was dirty, let me tell you something. But now it came out clean. But anyway, I'm just looking out for you guys. If you have the right equipment, I could shoot up 2 to 3 stories high. And if you're looking for somebody, want to clean out your house, take this number. All right, go Pro Power Wash, 732-644-9711. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. I'm out of here. All right, peace.